Okay, I lost the audio here, anak. Pero basically, what mommy is just trying to say is that I'm getting ready for your binyag. So, nag-iimpake si mommy niyan. Fixing our things before we go. Madaling araw yan eh. So, ayan. Pinapanood ko kay ni daddy sa tablet while watching the news. So, I'm getting ready because that's the morning na luluwas tayo papunta sa Parañaque. So, magulo yung kwarto. I'm very excited kasi bibinyagan ka na finally. And, ayan. Next, mga videos, makikita mo yung vlogs ni mommy, how excited I am before Kambinyagan and of course after Kambinyagan. I love you. Yan, second dress. Ito yung pang binyag. Okay. Still magulo pa. That's you and daddy sleeping. Mama's watching news. I love you. Binyag mo na tomorrow. Gulo? Yan, dito tayo sa room na nirentahan natin, Airbnb. Ganda rito, anak. Siyempre, baby. Sleeping. Kakatulog mo lang. Mga damit natin. It's the morning ng binyag ni Lupe. Daddy is stretching. Daddy, say hi.
Ay, antok pa.
Sleepy ka pa? And mommy's there. Ang room magulo. Magkala ang room. And this is our celebrant. Hi, Lupe. Good morning. Hi. Ikaw ay napupo. Meron kang pupo sa puwet. Later, nabinyagan ka na. Mabibinyagan ka na later. Mag-ready na tayo, ha? Kasi it's 8 o'clock. Okay? Okay. Ganda-ganda, oh. Okay. Tapos na yung binyag mo, anak. Successful. Very smooth. Nag-iimpake na si mama. It's actually 2 a.m. in the morning. Haggard.
You're sleeping and daddy's sleeping. Kunti na lang. Tapos na ako mag-impake. Yan. Okay. Ganda dito sa unit natin. Si daddy pagod na pagod. Nag-inom. And there you are, my love. Higising ka na rin in a bit para magdede. I love you. Baptize ka na. Thank you, Lord. I love you. Kikis ko yung leeg mo pagtabi ko sa'yo.